Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm just going to show you how I store my jewellery. Thought some people might be interested in this. This is a mirror that we're looking into, and on the side here it is joined with piano hinges, and the mirror is closed with magnetic latch, and I'll open it up and I'll show you inside. So this is the inside when the mirror on the right is opened, and I have all the boards and that on the inside. So what we did was, when we built the house, we got the plasterers to plaster down in between the studs on each side, which gave that concave away, and I've used these Hessian pin boards which were already covered in Hessian, so it was no work at all. I just bought them and we just screwed them to the wall, and I just used push pins which work really good to hang everything. I hang necklaces, bracelets and everything. Then I have another board there of jewellery. A lot of this I just don't wear, but because sterling silver is so cheap, I've collected over the years, and it's taken up no space and it's just easy for me to keep. And on the bottom I have bracelets, and I have just a loose board down there for rings and maybe some stud earrings. And on this side I just have hoops up there to the left, a couple statement necklaces. I really don't wear a lot of these. My mum made this one. She does really intricate crafts. This is all fine glass beads, and I think she made this one too. This one's really cool. They're just pieces that I like to keep. And on this side what we've done is, obviously up top we've screwed a Hessian board onto this, and you can see here what we've done is, these are metal air vents that we've got from the local hardware store. Spray painted them with white enamel, turned them back to front, screwed them to the door of the mirror because it's a solid mirror, so you can do that. And then, as you can see, by turning them back to front, you can see there's a rise there, so it gives plenty of room for the earrings. Just a hook earring, which is most I wear, just to hook through. So you can see that, and I've got a lot. You can see different stages of fashion by what I've got over the years. On the bottom one you can see this is where I hang my long necklaces. So it's sort of a little bit of a trip down memory lane when I look through my jewellery, because I can see what pieces my children gave me, or where I went for holidays, or just what stages I went through. That's how I store my jewellery. Thanks for watching. If you want a more in-depth, or you have any questions, please comment below and I'm more than happy to answer. Hope the world is treating you well. Bye.